Adding Roku to an LG TV is not complicated. Any Roku player works through HDMI, and you do not have to replace webOS. The important part is choosing the right Roku, using proper power, and turning on the LG HDMI setting that unlocks HDR. The main reason to add Roku is app depth and speed. The article cites more than 10,000 Roku channels, compared with roughly 300 apps in the LG webOS store. Roku also bypasses an older LG TV processor when webOS feels slow. For most LG owners, Roku Express 4K Plus is enough. The article lists it at $39 with 4K HDR, dual-band Wi-Fi, and voice search. Choose Streaming Stick 4K if the TV is wall-mounted and you want less cable clutter. The setup order is simple. Plug Roku into an open HDMI port. Use wall power instead of the TV's USB port. Switch the LG TV to the correct input, connect Wi-Fi, and activate the free Roku account with the code shown on screen. The key picture setting is HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color. Turn it on for the exact HDMI port your Roku uses. On newer LG TVs, the article says it moved under External Devices and HDMI Settings. Without it, HDR output can be capped. The LG Magic Remote only controls Roku partially. Simplink can handle power, volume, and mute, but the pointer does not navigate Roku menus. For full control, use the Roku Remote or the free Roku mobile app. Here is the practical verdict. Use Roku when webOS is missing apps, feels slow, or sits on an older LG TV. Keep using built-in LG apps when they already run well. Upgrade to Roku Ultra only if Ethernet or stronger Wi-Fi matters. The full Roku on LG TV setup guide, including HDMI steps, HDR settings, remote control notes, and device pics, is on smarttvs.org.